My last 2 or 3 jobs, basically, I was becoming more and more location independent because I was a guy that they would just send anywhere in Canada to basically open new branches and stuff like that. So I guess I started tasting that, that freedom a little bit. And my compensation was more and more tied to like the results that my teams were bringing and stuff like that. So I guess that I started like developing a taste for entrepreneurship. So you could the last 2 jobs, I kind of felt like I was like an entrepreneur instead of an entrepreneur, meaning like, I was building a business inside the business. And that's, I think, what led me to basically fully, leaving the corporate world and launching my own business at one point.